Hello, my name is Ricky, and I've just had a FUE treatment done. It's been 3 days now. This is Dr. KK Arora, and he is the owner of Satyam Hospital. Dr. Arora, can you tell me where your surgeries are?
Our main center is at Ludhiana, and we have branch office in Delhi where we perform this FUE technique. The other branch is at Jalandhar. That center is also exclusively for FUE hair transplant surgery.
Dr. Arora, when did you begin your hair transplant?
We started our hair transplant surgery in 2008. At that time, we were mainly performing strip surgery. But now, since 2010, we are exclusively doing FUE technique.
Thank you for that. How many procedures have you performed?
So far, we have done more than 700 hair transplant surgeries exclusively in FUE technique.
And how long have you been in the practice so far?
We have been in the practice of the hair transplant for the last 6 years, but exclusively since 2010 we are performing an FUE technique.
And how long was your training for FUE?
My main training was especially in St. Petersburg, Russia. Second was at Stockholm, Sweden, and I also got my training from Dr. Mahadevia at Ahmedabad.
So when was the last training you did?
I did my training in 2006.
2006, okay. And which procedure do you recommend is the best, FUT or FUE?
At the moment, the best technique is FUE, follicular unit extraction. The quality of this technique is that there is no stitch, there is no blood loss, there is just minimum pain of one injection, and it does not leave any mark on the head. And during this procedure, the person is fully conscious, watching TV, seeing movie, talking to the friends on phone. Yes, it takes a bit of long time. Patience is required. Results are very, very, very good. The good thing is, it doesn't leave any mark on the head. When we are not able to complete the requirement from head, from the donor area, from the back, then we are able to take additional grafts from the beard area. Even if we are not able to complete the requirement of whole head from the beard, we are able to take additional grafts from chest. We are able to take additional grafts from the axilla. So somehow we are able to complete whole of the head by taking grafts from the donor area of scalp, from beard, from chest wall, and from armpit also. In this case also, we also took grafts from the lower part of the beard. See, there is no mark. 2 days, the 48 hours have passed. So, in case of FUT, in case of cut surgery, we are able to take very limited number of grafts, but more and more grafts can be taken by FUE technique because we have additional area of beard, we have additional area of chest wall, and additional area of axilla, and from all these places we are able to complete the full requirement of the head. Even the baldness is very, very extensive.
As Dr. Arora has just explained, I can endorse his statement. Like I said before, I've come from the UK. I've had about 5,500 grafts now, and throughout the treatment I didn't feel any pain at all. I was a bit skeptical at first, but when the few injections went in, there was absolutely no pain at all. And I felt quite comfortable. They were doing the procedure on my head whilst I was watching TV, and this was done within 1.5 days. So I'm very happy. And even now, this is day 3 now, and there is absolutely no pain at all. And you can see my scalp here. Absolutely no pain at all. So if you feel that there's going to be pain, I can assure you that there is no pain at all. And I recommend Dr. KK Arora. Dr. KK Arora, how many people performed the operation?
See, FU is still in very much developing stage. Previously, there was a tendency to perform FUE surgery for consecutive days. It used to be done in 1 stage, 2 stages, 3 stages. But now our tendency is to complete whole of the head transplant in 1 or 1.5 days by taking 5,000 grafts or 6,000 grafts. We are able to complete whole requirement of the head in a single sitting, so that the client doesn't have to come time and again to get his hair transplant second stage or third stage or fourth stage. We recommend the clients to come in a single stage, get the hair transplant done. Though it may take a bit of a long time, but we are able to complete the requirement in a single stage.
Like Dr. Arora just explained, if you're coming from overseas, it's quite easy to get here. He's also got a centre in Delhi as well. So if you're coming from another country, take a straight flight to Delhi. He's got links to all around the world. He's got a surgery in Delhi there, and you just get the grafts done in one day, and you can return back the next day. And my surgery was done in 1.5 days because I expected more grafts on my head. The other thing is Dr. Arora also offers in excess of 3,000 addition hairs, so he can go up to 5,000, 6,000 grafts depending on the scalp, depending on the hair at the back of their head. Other places they just normally do 3,000, just 3,000 to 4,000 grafts, but Dr. Arora, he takes hair from the beard, from the chest, and other parts of the body like the armpits as well, to maximize the hair growth. Dr. Arora, the surgeons that do the operations, the surgery, how much experience have they got? How many surgeries have they done?
So far as our center is one of the leading center of the North India in FUE technique.
The technicians that actually do the surgeries?
No, in fact we are 4 doctors performing hair transplant. It's not possible for a single doctor to complete extraction and do implantation and do slitting. We are here the team of 4 doctors. Extraction is done by me and my assistant, and at the same time hair design is done by me and implantation is done by me as well as my assistants.
Now when I came to Dr. Arora's surgery, he showed me pictures and photographs of other clients that he's done. Before coming here, I also spoke to a few clients that made me confident in coming to Dr. Arora's surgery. He also showed me the type of hairstyle that I would like to have. And as you can see, I've got my forehead. I've actually lowered my line. My line was previously up here. And it actually lowered my line. So I've had the hairstyle of my choice, thanks to Dr. Arora. Thank you, Dr. Arora. Thank you. If anyone is considering a hair transplant, I would then recommend, as I endorsed, Dr. KK Arora, and for you to come to either Delhi, Ludhiana or Jalandhar to get your hair transplant done. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you
for listening.